Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Siacoin. The price line of Siacoin is still moving at the support of an up channel, and in today's video we will analyze whether are we going to break it down or we are going to have a powerful reversal from here. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, I would like to show you this weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that the price line is still moving in this up channel. It was entered in this channel here on 31st of May on this weekly time frame, and still it is at the support. We have several rejections, we have several bounces by the supports, and previously I told you, and still price line is behaving in the same manner, that whenever the price line is moving at the support and the stochastic gets oversold, the price line moves sideways at the support and starts the next rally towards the upside, at least up to this resistance of this up channel. And same thing is happening here again. The stochastic entered the oversold zone and the price line has started moving sideways at the support of this up channel. And previously, even when the price line was not in this up channel, when the stochastic entered the oversold zone, the price line moved sideways, and when stochastic turned bullish, we had a very, very big rally towards the upside. That was, let me show you, approximately at 2600%, more than 2600% powerful rally. Therefore, we can again expect that the price line can start a reversal move from here. And if we again take a look at the RSI, then you can see that the price line has formed a higher low than previous high, than previous low. And if we watch the stochastic, then here the recent low is formed lower than previous low. Again, if we take a look at the at the price line, it is forming the next low higher than previous low. So there is also a hidden bullish divergence on this chart. Therefore, it is giving us another signal that we can expect a reversal move from here. Now let's move to the daily time frame. Then here we are still moving in this falling wedge pattern. As I showed you in my previous video as well, even at that time we were in the falling wedge, and right now we are reached at the resistance of this falling wedge pattern. You can see that the price line entered in this wedge on 12th of October. So far it is still moving in this falling wedge. And as you know, that falling wedge in itself is considered as a bullish reversal pattern. Therefore, the price line can break out this resistance at any time, and you can see that the movement of the price line is getting squeezed and more squeezed. There is another resistance that the price line has found here within this falling wedge, and this is downtrend line resistance. In here, the price line has also found another support. So there is also another symmetrical triangle formed at the end of this falling wedge, and the movement even in that triangle is also very squeezed. Therefore, this is a decision making time for the price line to break it down or break it out. And after the breakout, the imminent move as per this triangle will be, if I place this trend line here at the breakout point, then this can be our expected target that will be approximately here at target that can be 2 cents approximately. And after this breakout price line, when the price line will reach here at this target, then we can also see that we have a very strong resistance here approximately at $1 1.7 cents, and during this move the price line can also break out this resistance as well. And our next target as per this falling wedge can be here, that will be approximately $2.7 cents. Now let's take a look at the targets for this up channel on the weekly time frame. That is, if I place this trend line here, when the price line first touched this support and reach the resistance and place it here at the breakout point. For example, if we will have a breakout from here, first the price line will need to reach here at the resistance that will be 3 cents approximately, and after the breakout it can reach up to 4.5 cents approximately. That will be a really very big move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.